How to check Discord user last seen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can check the last seen status on Discord, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to see the last seen status or the online state of someone else on Discord, so if you go ahead and then open Discord and then you go to your profile page, unfortunately you can see that there isn't an option to view their last seen. That's because Discord does not show it. The only way you can know is if they have set their status as do not disturb or idle or online. So if they set their status as online in the custom status tab, then you will be able to know that they're online. If they set it to do not disturb or sleep mode, then you'll be able to find those as well. But unfortunately Discord does not allow you to view the last seen status. So hope this video helped you. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.